Welcome to the Love Hub channel, where we discuss matters of the heart and give relationship advice to women. In today's episode, we are going to talk about how to flirt with a guy. In today's dating scene, guys are so hard to figure out, and flirting with him in a subtle way will give you an idea of how he feels about you. You will see it in his response. But flirting can be bigger than that. It can help you build connections with the guy that you're interested in. It's a lighthearted way to do so. Knowing how to flirt can help you establish rapport with the man that you have a crush on, and it can create a sense of chemistry. It can also boost your confidence. Flirting can absolutely be a confidence booster. When you feel comfortable doing this, it can help you feel more self-assured and confident in yourself. It can make dating more enjoyable. Imagine being out on a date with a guy and neither one of you is being playful or flirty. When you know how to flirt, it can make the dating process more enjoyable and less stressful because you are putting each other at ease. Remember, flirting should be lighthearted. It shouldn't be in your face. Flirting can also break the ice and create a relaxed, playful atmosphere. Flirting is a subtle way to express your interest in someone. So knowing how to flirt can help you communicate your feelings, your desires, without being too obvious or overwhelming. Overall, knowing how to flirt with a guy can be a valuable social skill. It can help you connect with people, boost your confidence, and make dating more fun and enjoyable. Now, ladies, remember, flirting without being too obvious can be a bit of a balancing act. Now, here are some tips to help you out. Remember to use subtle body language. Use body language to show your interest without being too obvious. You can smile, make eye contact, lean in lightly, and play with your hair. Avoid overtly sexual gestures. It has to be tasteful. Speaking of keeping it classy and tasteful, when you compliment him, make sure that it is a light but specific kind of compliment. Don't just say, "Oh my God, you are so hot right now." No, let's not do that. Let's not fawn over him. That's just going to scare him away. Instead, say something like, "That's a really nice shirt that you're wearing. You look good in it." It's simple, it's straight to the point, but it's not in your face. And remember, ladies, use touch sparingly. Just like compliments, you cannot overdo this. Light touches can be a subtle way to flirt, but be careful not to go overboard. A light touch on the arm, a gentle tap on the shoulder can be enough to show your interest. The goal of flirting is to show your interest in a fun, playful, and lighthearted way. It's important to be respectful and read his cues. If he's not interested, back off and respect his boundaries. But if you feel that there's something there, that there's this great chemistry between the two of you, then these tips will help you out. Now remember, ladies, the Love Hub is a judgment-free zone. We don't judge women here. We are your safe space. Now let's get to the topic. Number 1, smile. A genuine smile is always attractive, and it can be a great way to start a conversation. Do you think that a guy will want to stick around and flirt with you if you approach him with a pouty face and you act like you don't want to be there? It's important for you to smile and let him know that you're happy to see him. Guys really pick up on visual cues, and smiling is a subtle way of flirting and letting him know that you are interested. Number 2, use his name. Using someone's name can help establish a connection and make him feel valued. Have you dated a guy that just plays around and calls every girl that he dates babe? It's like he doesn't want to see you differently from all the other girls that he's dated. You're just one of many. And that's why it's important for you to use someone's name if you're interested in him and you're trying to let him know that. And again, we shouldn't go overboard with this, just like with everything else. So don't use his name in every single sentence. When you first see him, absolutely say something like, "Oh, hey, Mark, it's really nice to see you again." From then on, you don't have to keep repeating it, just maybe every once in a while. Like, "That's really funny, Mark," if he's telling a joke. Just don't overdo it. Number 3, make eye contact. Eye contact is a powerful way to show someone that you are interested in them. The eyes can reveal a lot without you having to say or do much. Just don't give him the crazy eyes. Number 4, laugh at his jokes. Laughing at his jokes shows that you are interested in what he has to say and that you have a good sense of humor. Number 5, keep the conversation focused on him. Ask him questions about himself and his interests. People love talking about themselves, and this will make him feel good and show your interest. Number 6, use positive body language. Remember when we talked about body language? It has to be subtle, but positive body language can communicate that you are open and interested. You can lean in when you talk to him, touch his arm gently, or play with your hair. Tease him. Teasing can be a playful way to show your interest and to keep things lighthearted. Number 7, keep the conversation flowing. Don't let the conversation lag. Ask open-ended questions to keep things interesting. Show interest in his interests. Ask him questions about his hobbies, his career, his goals in life. Show that you are genuinely interested in getting to know him better. Number 8, show that you're comfortable around him. Relax and be yourself. Be authentic. Don't try to pretend to be someone that you're not. He will see through that. If you're too nervous or if you feel like you just can't be yourself around him, he will be able to pick up on that and he won't feel too comfortable around you. It's just going to create a very awkward environment for the both of you. So loosen up. You're going to be okay. You're gonna do great. Remember, ladies, one of the goals of flirting is to leave a positive impression on a man that you're interested in. It's important for you to create a positive and enjoyable interaction. Ending the interaction on a good note can create a desire for more conversations with you in the future, and it will definitely help you build a positive connection with him. So remember, every time that you are in a conversation with him, end the conversation on a high note. This will leave him wanting more, and he will want to text you the very next day.